Alright guys, so today we are going to be unboxing this Garvee giant 4 in a row game, which also comes with some fun extras such as mini basketball, golf, and ring toss. This is going to be an indoor and outdoor set. Alright, and here is the finished product, guys. So this took me maybe 15-20 minutes to set up. Super easy. The only tool that was needed comes with it. It's this little key that helps you screw in the little nuts, and it's so easy. Your kids can actually help you put this together. Which makes me happy because this means that it's also going to be easy to take apart and then put back together again. I can see my kids having fun for hours and hours and hours with this. My kids are 5 and 8 and they're both going to enjoy it. Their friends are going to love it. We have a 2-year-old nephew who's going to come over and absolutely smash that basketball into those hoops, have fun trying to play 4 in a row at the same time with the ring toss, everything there. They're going to have so much fun with this. I also love that when the weather is nice, we can bring this outside as well. Let's see how easy it is to put together. So here we have all of the pieces of this laid out. This is the easiest way for me to put together something. I like to lay everything out so I can get a good look at it all. We have all of our accessories here. We have all of our pieces here. We have the net and we have this bag as well. So now I'm going to work on putting this together. All right, so we've snapped the 2 red pieces together, which took a second. And then we attached this blue piece here to the red and this blue piece here to the red using one of these little pieces here. And now we're going to attach the bottom piece. All right, guys, so we're about 5 minutes into this and we have pretty much the whole large piece assembled. Now it's time to put the fun stuff on.